Kantox can follow the needs of the company. In my opinion, this is the big added value, different from the other solution that I found on the market. Good morning, I'm Andrea Dioni. I'm the CFO of Dulevo. Dulevo is an Italian company specialized in the production and sale of machines for the cleaning. Before Kantox, it was manual management. It was made on spot and it was, let me say, subjective. It was not objective, and we couldn't eliminate the volatility risk. The main challenges were several. The main one, in my opinion, was the volatility risk. So in my opinion, the company had to be focused on the main business and not afraid or worry about the exchange rate volatility. The other one was the time, because the hedging management is time consuming and we needed to save time. And the other challenge was saving money on the commission cost from the banks. I think that the added value of Kantox is the customization, because Kantox can follow the needs of the company. In my opinion, this is the big added value, different from the other solution that I found on the market. We made an assessment when we create the general rules. And our study highlighted that we could have a saving in commission, bank commission of 50,000 euro per year. For sure, we saved time, so we estimated 1 hour per day, so we are talking of 200 hours per year. And the main target was the volatility risk. So we totally eliminated the volatility risk. It's impossible to give an amount to the volatility risk. So in my opinion, this is the biggest target that we reached.